There's no other place in North America that this kind of testing ever happens, and it just simply cannot be done in a one-on-one testing environment. So when we come here, we're all together. It's a very cooperative environment, and it gives us that ability to go away with tested products and tested scenarios that are proven in real-world use cases with other vendors.
Connectathon is very, very useful to us because in the Connectathon, we are a best-of-breed vendor, and in the Connectathon, it helps us test our software with all the other vendors outside of a hospital. So when we go to a hospital and we put our software in there, they have the assurance that this has worked somewhere else.
It's one of the only places in the world that you can go and actually get the most QA done in a single week ever. I mean, you actually sit down and you are testing everything that you could possibly do with your system in regards to interoperability. And if there's a problem, you're fixing it on site and you're getting immediate feedback from those players that you're working with.
So when you come to Connectathon and you are testing your system interoperability, you're testing it against the other companies that are going to be part of your EHR and HIE deployment process. It puts you several steps ahead in your project plan if you can say that you've already done the interfaces, you've already got your interoperability working, you already know that you can talk to the other companies that are working in that HIE project.
I see Connectathon as a culmination of a year's worth of development activity, and this gives us the opportunity to test all of the work on the specifications that we've done, and it gives us the opportunity to be face-to-face with other developers so that we can identify issues as they come up and work through them while we're here.
The significance of the Connectathon, it's very important to us. It's part of when you develop the products. We use the Connectathons in the early on stages for proof of concept for interoperability for our products. We also use it for part of the validation process, verification process of our products on how they interoperate with other products, as well as the validation and how we prove that these products actually interoperate in a clinical setting.
Here, we end up testing with 6 or 7 different PAC systems, 4 or 5 different RIS systems, a handful of workstations. You know, you just get so much more done here. From an efficiency point of view, if you want a good, solid batch of testing, it's well worth the participation fees.